Breville espresso machines have been designed to ensure they deliver the 4 key elements required to make great tasting, cafe quality coffee. For those that want full control from bean to cup, there is the dual boiler. The dual boiler has been dubbed the barista's choice for home espresso, receiving a 24.5 out of 25 rating by Australian barista champion Craig Simon. Combined with Breville's conical burr grinder, the Smart Grinder Pro, the dual boiler is the best way to control every aspect from bean to cup while still following the 4 key elements for cafe quality coffee. The dual boiler has a triple heat system, along with PID digital temperature control technology. This delivers water to the ground coffee at precisely the right temperature for optimal espresso extraction. As you should know, this is paramount in achieving a balanced espresso flavour. Using Breville's OPV or overpressure valve, the dual boiler provides true low-pressure pre-infusion and a consistent 9-bar extraction. Pre-infusion gradually increases the pressure to gently expand the grinds for an even extraction. Once this is completed, consistent extraction pressure of 9 bar is maintained over the entire process, providing you with a cafe-quality extraction every time. The dual boiler also has a dedicated steam boiler that heats steam to 130 to 140 degrees Celsius, or roughly 290 to 310 degrees Fahrenheit, generating enough steam pressure to texture and heat the milk to create microfoam, allowing you to produce latte art. Whether you're a novice, have some experience, or someone who simply wants to enjoy cafe-quality coffee at home, Breville have the right machine for you. To find out more, visit Breville Cafe Quality.